A drug involved in a large clinical study of treatment for patients with Alzheimer's disease doesn't make the grade. ABC 7's Alex Redmond joins us with more. Alex.
Thanks, Haley. The Eli Lilly drug known as Sola fails in its third clinical study, ending hope that this treatment can slow the mind-robbing progressive disease. A major letdown for a drug study involving Alzheimer's patients.
So what the company Eli Lilly did was focus on 2,100 patients who were all in the early stages. And the hope was that they were going to respond because that group had responded previously.
The drug and antibody given intravenously called solanezumab, or Sola, that detects and destroys amyloid in the brain, has not been approved, says Roskamp Institute's executive director, Michael Mullen.
Unfortunately, there's been no change in their cognitive state, in their mental functioning, between those that received the antibody and those that didn't.
Virginia Lamb and Dolores Sampson have both known people with Alzheimer's disease or other dementias.
My sister, yeah.
Both ladies are hopeful with treatment for the future. In fact, Lamb actually wears a patch as a preventative measure.
My heart doctor said that I was too young to lose my memory, and he was going to give me this heart operation, and he wanted me to be sure to be, my mind to be good as long as the heart thing lasts.
Rivastigmine transdermal, or the Exelon patch, is a prescription medication used to treat mild, moderate to severe memory problems associated with Alzheimer's disease. And even as news of the Sola study's failure gains momentum, there are advances in studies of another Alzheimer's drug.
So the early phase studies with nilvadipine, which is the drug that the Roskamp Institute discovered may be useful in Alzheimer's disease.
Results of the nilvadipine study, conducted at 28 clinical sites in 9 participating countries, says Mullen, will soon be revealed.
And we've just now finished a phase 3 study. The last patient, last visit, was in November.
Offering hope to people like Sampson, who lost a loved one.
I would try it. I would try the drug, see if it would help. I don't know if it would cure it, but it might help it, slow it down.
And the results of the clinical study involving the drug developed by Roskamp Institute should be available early next year. Back to you, Haley.